Hi guys, welcome back to Fs19 and back to the Yukon River Valley map, and we are here on part 7, I think it is. It's either part 6 or 7, and I have found my way back to the sawmill. It wasn't easy, and we are going to see where we can dump this coal in the sawmill there. I have no idea where you can dump this coal, so we are gonna see if we can dump it in here. I think that's where we can dump it. So I think this can take also 800,000 liters of coal. Yeah, coal. So we're gonna dump our coal in here. And we can also listen that the sawmill has started working. So we are gonna jump out here, we're gonna run over here. Yeah. We have filled up the sawmill here with coal. Let's have a look at it. Now where is the digital board for the coal? It's here, 100,000 liters. Alright. And here we can see that they are producing the barrels already. Cool. That is awesome, guys. We are producing barrel over there. Split wood, long wood, and wood chips. Here we have, that is the long wood. What do we have over there? That is the split wood. Those are the barrels here. That is awesome, guys. Look at that. Brilliant. And over there we are producing wood chips. We have 625 liters of wood chips in here. You don't see that because it's just so little. So once that number goes up, we're gonna see a pile of wood chips in here. Here we see 625 liters here of barrel. That is the barrel here, fill type barrel. The fill type here is long wood, 500 liters here, and 750 liters here of the split wood. Alright, so we are gonna, this is gonna be a longer video. We're gonna jump back into the truck here, and we're gonna drive back down to the coal mine and load this truck back up with coal. And then we are gonna drive back to the sawmill here and fill the sawmill back up with coal. It's a long trip, so this is probably gonna be a long video. It's at least a 10-15 minute drive back down to the coal mine here. Yeah, nice map. I like this map a lot. It's nice and big. I've done a mukbang video this morning, but I accidentally deleted it off my cell phone here while I was deleting other photos. So I accidentally deleted the my mukbang video that I did, which I was gonna upload today, but now since it's deleted off my cell phone, I can't uploaded, I may have to do another mukbang video. Yeah, so we were crossing the bridge here. Yes, we were crossing the bridge here earlier, so we have to cross this bridge again. Alright. Let's sit inside the truck here, it's probably a lot quieter. We have here on the left side and the right side here a couple of fields, I think 4 or 5 fields here on the left hand side and on the right hand side for farming. Because we need probably... What type of fruit types do we have? We have only the standard fruit types. Because later on, when we get done with the sawmill, we might start off making beer. There's beer on this map as well. Yeah, we have only the standard fruit types, but you can also use the fruit types here for making beer. Yeah, I remember this now. We were driving past this this grain silo here. You're gonna put your grain in there and transport it off with the train. So it's straight through here. Keep going straight here. Now we will make it down to the coal mine again. So jump back into the truck here. This might be a 20 to 25 minute video. The last videos were 15-minute videos. So since this is going to be a long drive back to the coal mine and back to the sawmill, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to let the video roll until we are at the sawmill, and then I'm probably going to load the truck up with the coal, and I might do a separate video on driving back to the sawmill. I don't know yet. We will see what we're going to do. Now this truck is too fast. We're driving here at 50 kilometers per hour. You can imagine how slow those trucks are in real life. They don't go very fast. I think 50 or 60 miles per hour they will go in real life. Like they have on the mines they have a speed restriction, so they're not allowed to go over 50 miles per hour because they can crash into other people. I mean, it's other truck drivers as well. So they have a speed restriction at the mine. Yeah, I'm kind of mad that I deleted that mukbang video. Yeah, I deleted that by accident, so I'm gonna have to do another mukbang video maybe tomorrow morning. Or sometime during the day. It depends. I might do a breakfast mukbang video tomorrow morning, so then it's gonna be a mukbang video coming up. I think that video is gonna be coming up before I'm gonna be uploading a farm sim video. I don't know yet. Yeah, we are into 9 minutes already. And I think this is gonna be part 7. Let's see where we are. We need to go... Wait, done. I'm gonna stop the truck here. I'm gonna Yeah, we need to go down there, so let's close the map back up. And jump out of the truck here to see where we are going. Because you have to remember the routes here. You have to remember the routes where you are going, otherwise you can get lost very quickly here on this map when you don't know where you're going. Okay, where? Yeah, so it's back here. And down in through there, alright. So let's jump back inside here. Yeah, we're coming up to the 11th minute mark here. I might make this video kind of long. I'm gonna start loading the truck here pretty soon once I arrive here at the plant here. I think it's this way. I'm gonna close the map here or do the mini map there. And we are arriving at our coal mine here soon. That is the dirt ridge, so we have to stay on track and go up here. Alright. It actually takes 15 minutes to get to the coal mine. And so this is probably going to be more than a 30-minute video. It's probably going to be 35 minutes because it also takes time to load that coal into the truck here. Alright. Alright, we are gonna jump into our wheel loader here. And yeah, I'm gonna start it up here. Let's get the coal out of here. backwards, backwards, backwards. So once we get in deeper into this mine here, we're gonna have to back all the way out, backwards. Because there's no point in turning in that corner, so we have to back out. And backing out, that is gonna be a long trip. So I think it's either 1 or 2 loads more that we need, and then we are going to go. Alright. Let's see if we can do this from inside the cab. Yeah. Is it full? Yeah, truck is full. That didn't take long. Alright. How much have we taken out of here? We have taken out quite a bit of coal here. Let's drive back to the sawmill here. So that is going to be a long episode on coal mining. Like I said, we need at least 800,000 liters of coal. And we need to go back and forth 8 times. Let's see if I can remember how to get back. So I think it was down here. Or was it? No, it wasn't. It was down there. Down there. Yeah, that is the proper way. It's this way that we have to go. Jump into the cab here. And we're heading for the sawmill. Yeah, let's see how our sawmill has done by the time we get back. Yeah, you can see that the pedals are working as well. The guy is pressing the pedals here, so that works. Brilliant. The lights are working as well. Yeah, lights are working. The console lights are working in the truck also. That is awesome. Yeah, you don't see too much here looking right, but looking left here you can see almost outside there. Nice leap her truck there. Brilliant. And a nice long drive also. Imagine playing this map with a whole bunch of people. The trucks are going to be everywhere, guys. You can play this game in multiplayer as well. Giant Software, they have a multiplayer server built into this game, so you can play up to with 16 people on one map. 16 people is the maximum number of people that you can play multiplayer with. So, it's something to do on a big map like this. So we are coming up to field 11, 10, 9 and 8, and we are also coming up to this I think it's a set point or a silo. Now up there at the coal mine, I wouldn't have gotten in there with my excavator. That Fs19 9800, that would have been a little bit too big, so yeah. Yeah, so we are gonna have to pass drive the rails here, the railroad tracks. We're gonna have to drive over them and drive past that train silo there. And here we have our fields 9, 10, 11 and 8. I think at the bottom we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have 11 fields in the map there, or on the map I should say. What is that? That is... yeah, we are reaching our sawmill. Our sawmill is up ahead actually. It's up ahead. We're gonna dump our coal into the sawmill there. But first we need to cross the bridge here. So we're gonna take it easy here while crossing it. We don't want to fall off the bridge here. Alright. Yeah, after this episode here, I'm gonna do a little bit more work on the sawmill here. So this is gonna be an extra long video. And we can see our sawmill up ahead already. Right there, there it is, our sawmill there. And we are rather done with our logging vehicles that are standing right there to our right. We are done with them. Up here, we are done with them. So let's dump this coal into our fill area. And we're going in. So let's see how much coal we have put in there. We have a little digital board here. 198,125 liters of coal. Or that is what we need. Okay. Okay, we are done with coal. 200,000 liters of coal is what they recommend to put in here. I thought it was 800,000 liters of coal, but it's not. It's only 200,000 liters of coal, which is 100%, and 800,000 liters of logs. So we are done with the coal mining. For this sawmill anyway, at least. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna sell that truck here because we are done with it. We're gonna sell this guy here. Or shall we leave it up at the coal mine? I think we're gonna leave it up at the coal mine here. We're gonna sell this guy. We're gonna sell him. We're gonna sell this trailer here. Sell the old chainsaw. Alright. Might sell the truck here. I might keep the truck, I don't know. No, I'm gonna keep the truck here. I'm gonna keep the wheel loader here. I'm gonna sell this guy here because we don't need him up here anymore. See how many wood chips we have here. 1,875. Yeah. Here we have our kegs, our barrel, or whatever you want to call it, 2,500 liters here of barrels. You can sell them on the map. We're going to be doing that as well here. Here you can see the digital little board here, the input there, 800,000 liters of logs and 200,000 liters of either wood chips, straw or coal. The output here, barrel split wood, which is over here, that is split wood, and that here is longwood. Alright. So, thanks for watching, guys. This was an extra long video because I had to get the coal for this sawmill. I think we are about done with this sawmill here. I'm gonna do one last video of this sawmill when we have here all those platforms filled up. So, and this platform here as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the first series on this, where we checked out the sawmill. Leave a comment below and we'll see you in the last part of this sawmill. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.